What are assets? The economic value of an item which is possessed by the enterprise is referred to as assets. To put it in other words, assets are those items that can be transformed into cash or that generates income for the enterprise shortly. It is useful in paying any expenses of the business entity or debit. What are liabilities? The economic value of an obligation or debit that is payable by the enterprise to other establishment or individual is referred to liability. To put it in other words, liabilities are the obligations that are rising out of previous transactions, which is payable by the enterprise through the assets possessed by the enterprise. What are the types of assets? Current assets, non-current assets or fixed assets, tangible assets, intangible assets. Now, what are the classification of assets? Assets can be classified into two major classes: tangible assets and intangible assets. Difference between goods and assets. Goods are always tangible in nature, whereas assets can be both tangible and intangible in nature. Give for examples of liabilities: short-term loans, lease, salaries payable, bank overdrafts. Classification of assets. Assets are generally classified in the following three ways depending upon nature and type. Number 1, on the basis of convertibility. Number 2, on the basis of physical existence. Number 3, on the basis of usage. On the basis of convertibility, one way of classification of assets is based on their easy convertibility into cash. According to this classification, total assets are classified either into current assets or fixed assets. Current assets. Assets which are easily convertible into cash like stock, inventory, marketable securities, short-term investments, fixed deposits, acquired incomes, bank balances, debitors, bills receivable, prepaid expenses, etc. are classified as current assets. Current assets can also be termed as liquid assets. Fixed assets. Fixed assets are of a fixed nature in the context that they are not readily convertible into cash. They require elaborate procedure and time for their sale and converted into cash. Land, building, plant, machinery, equipment and furniture are some examples of fixed assets. Generally, the value of fixed assets generally reduces over a period of time known as depreciation. On the basis of physical existence, another classification of assets is based on their physical existence. According to this classification, an asset is either a tangible asset or intangible asset. Tangible assets, intangible assets. Tangible assets. Tangible assets are those assets which we can touch, see and feel. All fixed assets are tangible. Moreover, some current assets like inventory and cash fall under the category of tangible assets too. Intangible assets. We cannot see, feel or touch intangible assets physically. Some examples of intangible assets are goodwill, franchise agreements, patents, copyrights, brands, trademarks, etc. These are also classified under assets. On the basis of usage, according to a third way of classification, assets are either operating or non-operating. This classification is based on usage of the asset for business operation. Assets which are predominantly used for day-to-day business are classified as operating assets, and other assets which are not used in operation are classified as non-operating. Operating assets. Operating assets are those assets which are required for the current day-to-day transaction. In simple words, the assets that a company uses for producing a product or service are operating assets. These include cash, bank balance, inventory, plant, equipment, etc. Non-operating assets. All assets which are of no use for daily business operations but are essential for the establishment of business and for its future needs are termed as non-operational. This could include some real estate purchased to earn from its appreciation or excess cash in the business which is not used in an operation.